How to block links in Discord server using Dyno Bot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and click on the server you want to add Dyno Bot. Right click on the server and then click on Server Settings. In here, click on App Directory. After that, in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the top right, search Dyno Bot. Click on Dyno. Click on Add App. After you've clicked on Add App, click on Visit Site, which will lead you to this page. Click on Continue in here. After that, scroll down and select the server you want to add it to and press on Continue. Then, Authorize. After you have clicked on Authorize, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply select your time zone if you want to. If not, on the left side, go to Modules, and then in here, scroll down, search for Auto Mod. Click on Settings. In here, click on Create Rule. After you have clicked on Create Rule, add rule name. You can add anything like no links. Rule type, make sure it's links. Then scroll down and make sure it's delete all links. Then at the bottom, you can skip to options. Then at the bottom, in the action section, click on delete. If you want to add permissions, add permissions. If not, simply click on create rule at the bottom and click create the rule. After you have created the rule, you're good to go. This is how to block links in Discord server using Dyno Bot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.